If you are selling print on demand on Etsy or have been thinking about starting, there's a design tool that you need to know about. And I'm not talking about Canva. It's called Kittl. And after spending time going deep on everything it can do for print on demand sellers, I have to say there are some features in here that genuinely surprised me. So today I am breaking down 7 of them live on the screen, no fluff, just the actual features and exactly why they matter for your print on demand business. So let's get into it. Real quick before we jump in, if you have never heard of Kittl, here's the one sentence version. It's a professional design tool that combines AI with a real editor built specifically for creators who want to make things they can actually sell. And it runs in your browser, is free to start, and everything we're about to go through works on the desktop version right here. All right, feature number 1. Number 1 is print on demand. Ready artboard presets. And I'm starting here because this is the thing that trips up most beginners before they even start designing. So when you create a new project in Kittl, look at this. You already got presets built specifically for print on demand platforms like Printful, Redbubble, Printify, just to name a few here. And when you click, let's say I select this one, the Printify t-shirt preset, and I click on create. These are dimensions for each platform's ready to go. What that means is that I have the correct canvas size, the correct dimensions. There's no uploading something and finding out that is the wrong size after the fact, right? This sounds like a small thing, but it's not. If you have ever had a design come back from print blurry or misaligned, you know exactly why starting in the right format from the first click matters. That's feature number 1. So let's keep moving. Number 2 is Kittl Flows, and this one actually genuinely surprised me. So we are still in the same Canva template, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to templates. I'm going to scroll down to Kittl Flows. I'm going to click on show all, and I'm going to select whatever template resonates with whatever I'm creating. So for instance, I'm going to click this one where it says Mother's Day apparel. Now, automatically when you click on one of them, it's going to add that one there for you. But you could scroll through all of these and pick a different one if you want and just delete these if you don't want them. Now, what is so special about this is that it already has a design here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this design, but I'm going to come down here and I'm going to describe what I wanted to create. So I'm going to go ahead and put my prompt. Now, keep in mind, you can also upload your very own design if you already have it. But for the sake of this video, I want to show you how to create one. So I put a prompt here, cute retro sunflower with mama script lettering, warm earthy tones, vintage worn texture, graphic design, high resolution, clear, transparent background. So I'm going to click on generate. And as you can see, it's generating that design for me, which means I don't have to be, obviously, a designer or an artist in order to create designs. Let's give it a few seconds. All right, so it created the actual design, as you can see, and it's pretty cute. And what I like about this is that it creates a print-ready design that you could just drop it right into these mockups here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and delete this design, and I'm going to put my mockup right on top. As you can see, it automatically put it on the shirt, and it looks pretty good. Now, one pro tip here is that you could actually create variations of different colors for your products by simply playing with this section here. So for instance, if I wanted to change this color of the background of the shirt, I could actually go and change it. Let's say I wanted to change it to black. I could do that, as you can see. So you could come in here and pick any color you want and create different variations for that particular design, which is pretty amazing. It's going to save you so much time. So I'm going to put it back to the color that it had. From here, what you're going to do to go ahead and put this image in these additional mockups here is that you're just going to hover on top of the image and you're going to click on regenerate, and you're going to do this for every single image. As you can see, it's going to take you a few seconds here, and it's going to create different variations of mockups from scale reference to main listing image to a close-up of the product, from a model wearing it, and also like a lifestyle photo. So let's give it a few seconds here to see what it comes up with. Okay, so look at what just happened. It generated the design and automatically placed it into a full set of professional mockups, as you can see here. Like I said, from all different types of mockups. For Etsy sellers, this is huge, huge. Your listing images are one of the biggest factors in whether someone buys or keeps scrolling, and Flows just handle the design and the mockup at the same time. Number 3 is advanced typography. And this one is the reason why print-on-demand designs made in Kittl don't look like templates. Now, typography is the number one thing that separates a design that looks cheap from one that looks professional. And Kittl's text tools are the best I have seen in any browser-based design tool. So let me show you why. So when you go to your dashboard here, you click on T, and you have all of these options here from vintage, paragraphs, titles, and so on to pick from. So they have a huge selection. Let's say that I go to vintage and I pick, let's say this one here. I'm able to create something with this and put it right in my shirt if I want to. Now, what's nice about this is that you could click on it, ungroup it, so you could work on each individual element on its own. And what's nice about this is that when you click on that element, you could edit here, and you could also edit coming to the right-hand side of your menu over here. You could change the color of the font if you want. You could change the text style if you want. You could change the weight of it. You could change if you want it to the left, you want it center. You could change the transformation of it. So you could play around with it. That looks pretty cool there. And you could just keep going down. It has shadows. If you want to add some shadows, you could do that. You could, reset or control the offset of the shadow and the angle of the shadow. And then on the bottom, it has text decoration that you could play around with as well. You can also click on Edit Transform, and this will help you move the lettering anywhere that you want. So if I wanted to do something like this, I could do that, which looks pretty cool. And look how cool that is. You could do this for every single element. And once you're happy, you could just select all, group. And then now this is a design that you could just go ahead and drop and use it, in your design. So for instance, you will make sure that this fits in here properly. So let's make sure it fits. And look at that. How cool is that? Right into in the same tool, you could do the actual designing for your typography and add it to your mockups all in one. You don't have to leave the actual tool. Number 4 is vector tools. Now, Kittl has a full suite of vector editing tools built right in. And what that means for you as a print-on-demand seller is that you could take any design element, just like this one here, and you could edit it at the vector level. You could adjust the paths, the shapes. You could do individual anchor points, and everything stays crisp at any size. As you can see, I could come here and I could play around with this. Look at this. And you could do this for anything that you want. And I find this very useful if you're trying to create like a logo or create something that's very unique that no one else has. And the fact that you can have this much control. Now, another benefit of doing this is also because if you are, let's say, doing a design that goes on a print, whether it's a DTG or like on a t-shirt or maybe a DTF on a hoodie, vector files print clean with sharp edges. So there's no softness, there's no pixelation, no matter how large it gets. This used to require Adobe Illustrator. Now with Kittl, is right here in the same tool that you already designing in. So no extra software, no extra learning curve, which I absolutely love. And all the tools are down here that you could play around with. We also have the pen here that lets you create any design that you need to create and curve. I mean, it's such a great way to create something that's very unique and different to what everyone else is creating. And now you have it in one tool where you're already designing. Feature 5 is mockups on Canva. And this one is a game changer for how your listings look. Inside Kittl, you can add your designs directly on a product mockup right on your canvas. So instead of exporting your design, going to a separate mockup tool, uploading it, downloading it, and bringing it back, you could do it all in here. Let me walk you through the process. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New Project. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and select T-shirt, Create. And I'm going to go to my left-hand side menu and I'm going to go to Mockups. And I'm going to go ahead and browse through all of these and I'm going to find a mockup for this particular t-shirt. So let's say I want to use one of these here. I'm going to pick the one, or you could click on Show All to pick one of these. So whatever suits you. Let's say I like this one here. I'm going to go ahead and place my design right here. Now, my design is already saved in actual Kittl, so I don't have to upload it. It's right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, delete this design, and then I'm going to put my design right on top. And look at that. You have a professional product image ready to go to your Etsy listing. You could swap out the mockup style, change the product color, try different angles, all without leaving. Number 6 is Kittl videos. So if you head over right here where it says videos, it's going to give you a large selection of different product videos that you could use to showcase your products from all types of niches. So let's go ahead and stick with the same one that we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and I'm going to click on use template. Now, Etsy listings with videos convert significantly better than listings with only static images. So keep that in mind. Most sellers know this, but most sellers still don't have videos on their listings because they think it means learning video editing or, hiring someone. However, you don't have to do that anymore, especially by using Kittl. So when you open this template, it's going to give you 2 options. You're going to have this option here where it says, if you already have your product in a scene, start here. And it's going to give you option 2, which is want to place your product in a scene, start here. So I'm just going to show you from scratch how to do everything. So I'm going to do this one here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on this image and delete it. And I'm going to upload the design that I've been working on this video. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my design, and I'm going to put it right in this little box. Make sure that you format it. It's not getting cut off or sticking out. Once it's in there and it's in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and click on this image here. And it has a prompt down here that you could play around with if you want, but you don't necessarily need to change anything. Just click on regenerate, and it's going to go ahead and take your image and it's going to add it in the product scene of the photo that we saw here. So let's give it a few seconds here. All right, so it created the actual product in a scene. And look how great that looks. Now, once you have this one here, now you're ready to actually create the actual videos. And they give you 3 options here. When you click on it, it'll give you the actual prompt down here. You could look at it. You could edit if you want to. But essentially what you're going to be doing is on each video, all you're going to do is click on regenerate. And it's going to go ahead and put that design in this actual AI video here. So let's give it a few seconds here and I'll show you how it looks. Wow, and it did the video for me. Let me go ahead and play this video so you can see. How cool is that? This is a professional listing video, clean, polished, the kind of thing that makes a buyer stop scrolling. And it took about 2 minutes to make without opening a single other app. It's that simple with Kittl. And number 7 is export, specifically how Kittl exports your file and why it matters. Now, when you export from Kittl, you could just select your design and you click on this little arrow and it says quick export. And you could go with a high resolution like transparent PNG or a true vector SVG file, and both are print ready. So when you go in here, it gives you the option of PNG, JPEG, SVG, and even PDF. Now, the transparent background means that your design sits cleanly on any product color, white shirt, black shirt, navy, it does not matter. And because Kittl outputs vector native files, your design prints crisp and clean at any size. So no blurry edges and no quality loss. And one more thing worth mentioning here is that Kittl's commercial license is completely straightforward. Everything you design in Kittl, you could sell. Templates, AI generated designs, everything. There's no ambiguity or no complicated fine print. For anyone who's ever worried about Canva licensing when selling on Etsy, this is a real relief. And that's feature 7. So there you have it, 7 features: print on demand, ready artboard presets, Kittl Flows, advanced typography, vector tools, mockups on Canva, Kittl video, and clean vector export with a straightforward commercial license. Every single one of these is built for people who are serious about their print-on-demand business. And the fact that they're all in one place, that's what makes Kittl different from everything else out there. Now, Kittl is free to start. Link is in the description. Go check it out. And if you want to unlock everything premium that has to offer, use code Nancy25 for 25% off your first month or your first year. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It generally helps this channel, and subscribe for more videos like this, and drop a comment telling me which feature surprised you the most. I read every single one. I will see you in the next one.